So on today's tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I interlock using a 2-point rotation. So of course you're going to need something to hold the hair off with. You will also need a water bottle, and I just lightly mist the area that I'm about to start interlocking. Definitely use some oil, and when you're doing interlocking you don't need any product. I just use oils from JV Beauty, and I will put all that information in the description along with the water that I lightly mist her hair with. So as you can see, I'm just smoothing it out, and I'm going to take a rat tooth comb and try to follow the pattern of the locks and just separate any hair that may be tangled within any other locks, to just make sure that the only hair that I'm gathering in is the hair that is actually within the lock. So after I get done making sure that I've sectioned the hair off and there's no hair tangled in, I'm just going to go through each lock and just lightly palm roll each one, just to make sure that all the hair is properly gathered within the lock before I begin interlocking. So after I've palm rolled all the locks on this section, I'm just going to grab my interlocking tool. I will try and find that on Amazon and put a link in the description on where I ordered the interlocking tools from. But you're going to want to just go to the very end of the lock and just secure it on that tool. And like I said in the beginning of the video, we will be doing a 2-part rotation. So we're going to be going from 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and then from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So I'm just going to continue to do the 2-point rotation until there is no more room for me to fit the actual tool through. I don't want to make them too tight, but at the same time, I don't want them to be, I don't want it to have a lot of new growth either. Now, if you are interlocking, it's really up to you if you want to use a 2-point rotation or a 4-point rotation. I do find it to be a little bit more easier to just kind of maneuver through using a 2-point rotation. And I'm going to do that demonstration for you guys again. So after you secure the end of the lock on your interlocking tool, you're just going to want to go from 3 o'clock. If you try to envision a clock in your mind, you're going to go from 3 o'clock all the way over to 9 o'clock, and then you're going to go down from 12 o'clock all the way to 6 o'clock, and you're going to continue to follow this same rotation until there's no more hair left at the root to fit the tool back through. But you don't want to make it too tight, because I found that over a period of time it can weaken the lock. If you make it too tight, it can weaken the strands, therefore making the lock a lot thinner. So I'm just going to continue this rotation roll by roll, section by section, until we are completely done, and then I'm going to style her hair. And like I said, when you are doing interlocking, there's no need for any product. I do use water and I do use oil, and that's pretty much all you will need when you're interlocking. So if you guys enjoyed the video and if it was informative to you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and definitely hit the notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do upload a video. You can also head over to IG and follow me on all things Natural Val to check out some of my latest hairstyles. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.